Have you ever wondered how literature allows us to step back in time and learn about life on earth from the ones who walked before us? And at the end, it opens our eyes and makes us see more than just the obvious. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. In a broader aspect, literature can be defined as any written or spoken material. However, in a narrow sense, literature is a writing which expresses and communicates thoughts, feelings, and attitudes towards life. It is also a piece of writing that is valued as a work of art. So, what are the characteristics of literature? 1. Literature is aesthetic. Yes, literature is aesthetic. 2. Literature is expressive. Literature is expressive. Literature is expressive. Number 3. Literature can be fictional or non-fictional. Literature can be fictional or non-fictional. So let's talk about the functions of literature. 1. The entertainment function. A work of art can be read for pleasure's sake. 2. Social and political functioning. Literature helps one to see the true nature of a society, the hidden nature of a society, and the states of the people. Number 3. Ideological functioning. Literature has the ability to shape the way one thinks. Number 4. Moral function. Literature serves as an avenue for moral values. And number 6. Linguistics functioning. Literature helps to improve one's command of language. And finally, educational functioning. Literature teaches the reader things about human experiences. So at this point, we shall be discussing the genres of literature. They are poetry, prose, and drama. Poetry, prose, and drama. When we talk about poetry, we are referring to one of the oldest forms of literature. Prose, we are referring to any form of text that tells a story. And drama are always plays. Let's head straight to the types of literature. Of course, you know that literature can be divided into two broad types. We have the fiction and we have the non-fiction. So what is fiction? A fiction is invented by someone, hence it is not real. It is the creation of the writer with the aim of eliciting literary reaction from readers. Fictional stories center on imaginary people. It centers on imaginary places, it centers on imaginary setting, and it also centers on imaginary events. For example, we have plays, we have poems, we have short stories, we have novels, etc. The second point on the agenda is non-fiction. What is non-fiction? This is a direct opposite of fiction. It is an epitome of factual related work of art. This kind of literature makes use of real places, real events, real character, and so on. Examples of fictional literature includes autobiographies, biographies, essays, diaries, etc. Before we leave, can you briefly tell me what are the definition of literature and its function? Can you also explain the types of literature? And finally, can you describe the genres of literature and the key difference between the three of them? Meet you in our next class.